Hello and welcome back. Now we'll talk about the remaining portion of chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. Let's see what is the story of coal. See here, about 300 million years ago, the earth has dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to the natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose and they sank deeper and deeper under high pressure and temperature. Dead plants got slowly converted to coal. The story of coal says that about 300 million years ago, Earth has had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas, and due to the natural process like flooding, this forest got buried under the soil. And when the forest got buried under the soil, the temperature and pressure becomes very high, and these dead plants got slowly converted into coal. Also, this process is known as carbonization. In this way, coal is formed. You can see in the picture there is a coal mine where people are working to extract coal. Now we'll talk about the coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization, which means when the dead plants got slowly converted into coal, that process is known as carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called a fossil fuel. Because coal is being made from the dead remains of vegetation, that is why it is known as fossil fuels. When heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. When coal is burned, it produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. Now we'll talk about the products of coal. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products. First is coke. See what is coke. It is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals, which means coal are tough and tiny pores are present there, and also it is of black color. Coke is being used as the material to extract many metals, and also it is used in the manufacture of steel. Also, one of the most important property of coke is it is the purest form of carbon. Next product of coal is coal tar. See, it is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, roofing materials, paints, etc. Naphthalene balls used to repel moth and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. Coal gas is the third product of coal. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It is used as in fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Now we'll talk about the petroleum. See what is petroleum. Petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like truck and tractors run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. As like coal is having its product like coke, coal tar and coal gas, petroleum is also having its different products like coal is like petrol and diesel. Now we'll talk about how petroleum is formed. Formation of petroleum. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gases. Here, various constituents of petroleum and their uses are given. First is liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG. It is used for fuel as fuel for homes and industries. Petrol is used as motor fuel, solvent for dry cleaning, and kerosene fuel for stoves, lamps, and for jet aircrafts. Another, another constituent of petroleum are diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, and bitumen. Okay, petrol diesels are used as fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Lubricating oil is used as lubrication used for lubrication. Paraffin wax used in ointment, candles, vaselines, etc. Bitumen is used in paints and road surfacing materials. You can see in the picture how petrol and natural gas deposits under the sea. Refining of petroleum. See here, petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. The process of separating the various constituents fractions of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in